Stop by and take a look at the 2004 Grand Marquis. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering. The Grand Marquis offers the roomiest interior and the most spacious trunk in its class. The class-exclusive standard V8 engine delivers 224 horsepower and can run on a unique blend of gasoline and ethanol, E85. It's also the only car in its class to receive the government's highest 5-star front crash test rating 15 years in a row.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.